I welcome you to a very first lecture on C++ project, and in this video lecture we're going to create our very first project in C++, and that is the hello world. Alright, so we'll be building our very first project in C++, and as a C++ developer, I know you might have met hello world when you took C++ class, and in this project we're still going to build that as a very first project because that is really very necessary. So to create a simple project using C++, first of all we need some header files, and the very first one we need is to go ahead and include the input output stream, and that is IO stream. Alright, so when you include the input output stream, you're going to specify to tell the computer you're using the namespace, and you give the name of the namespace. So I'm going to tell the computer, say I'm using namespace std, that is the standard library. So the standard library is what we are going to use right here. Okay, so the next one is to create a simple function, because every project you're going to create in C++ must have at least one function, and the function we're going to use here is the main function. All right, so you go ahead and say int main. All right, so int main is not going to be a void, all right, because it's going to return something. Therefore we are going to give it cout, that is the output stream, and go ahead and type in hello world in string. Alright, so hello world, and go ahead and end that. So once you do that, you go ahead and return 0. So why are you returning 0? You're returning 0 because your function right here is not void. You are telling the system that you're going to return something. Alright, so returning 0 means that this project has ended and terminated right here. So if your project is complete, you're going to return 0 to terminate your project at the end. Alright, so if we go ahead and run this code, go ahead and click on build and run, and if you run this code, it's going to write hello world. Alright, so that is coming, and what you have here is hello world. Okay, so this is the very first project in C++, and in every project you're going to build as a developer, the hello world project is always the basic before you move into the advanced projects. So put it down in your own system, play around with it, and you can skip this if you had the knowledge of this and move over to the next video lecture. But if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.